It's going to be a short review on the Aqua-Pure 3M water filter. There was a request on Amazon asking if after the system is installed, if it changes the pH of the water. So I want to address that directly, as well as doing a few other tests we will do inside. So as you can see, I've got two filters installed. The first one is just a standard sediment filter, and the second filter, the one in question, is the Aqua-Pure. Now, I installed this filter July 30th of 2019, and this test was done in September 28th, 2019, so just about 2 months in. So we shut the water off to the filter so we can get the straight water coming off of the main. So we're going to get a sample of this water, and then we're going to go inside and we'll do our testing from there. Okay, so we're inside the house now, and we're going to do the testing. This is done on a SL1000 test. We're going to test a couple of things. We're going to test total chlorine, free chlorine, chloramine, and alkalinity. Now, the water for our particular county has just switched over to straight chlorine. They were on monochlorine, but they're switching over to chlorine for maintenance for the next couple of months. So there shouldn't be a whole lot of chloramine in the water, but we'll test it anyways for this purpose. So we're going to put in some new test strips with the chem keys, and we're going to also hook up the pH tester so that we can check the pH. Okay, so with all the keys in, we can start, we can put it in our sample, and the machine will do everything else from there. So tell me to take the sample out, we kind of just let it sit there, and it will go through its process. Now, while we're doing this, we can go ahead and start doing our test for the pH for the water that's coming into the house. So we'll skip forward until we get to the end here, and I'll share the results with you guys. Okay, so our untreated water, total chlorine of 2.90, free chlorine 2.58, chloramine 0.16, alkalinity 181, pH of 7.57. So pretty good test. Now let's go test the treated water. Okay, so we got new chem keys in. We're testing the water out of the kitchen faucet. So we're going to skip through all of this, and we'll get to the end and I'll share the results. As you can see, the treated water is drastically different. The total chlorine is 0.08, the free chlorine is 0.02, chloramine is 0.04, the alkalinity is 169, and the pH actually dropped down just a little bit to 7.44. So I hope this answered your questions and showed you how well this particular filter is working for us.